Okay, we're showing the new ceiling lift. Go ahead, Dad. We're just hooking her up from her wheelchair. So, and she's got on her cute blind monkey t-shirt and rainbow socks. So she's somewhere over the rainbow today. There you go. Okay. All right, so y'all going? Oh, okay. She doesn't need to lay down though, Dad.
No.
But that's how we can put her into her play bed, her play area. And then she's going to fly through the air to her bedroom. All right, don't go so fast because I can't walk that fast with you. Hang on. Here she comes. Here she comes. There she goes. And this goes right over her bed so she can lay down. So there you go. Cool. Very comfy. And then we detach her. And then we just send it right over there and it just hooks up right there. Cool.